So, is Mernes London really a go-to brand for handmade leather goods? Or is it just another sketchy online store? Let's break it down. Quick disclaimer before we begin, everything in this video is based on publicly available information and personal opinion. Mernes London presents itself as a sleek premium leather brand, but here's the catch. There is no Trustpilot rating and barely any third-party reviews out there. Their website looks professional, but it was only recently registered and lacks clear company details. The red flags are no real presence on trusted review platforms, limited transparency on who's behind the brand. Some users online mention issues with delayed or missing orders. It's hard to say it's a total scam, but it's definitely not fully reassuring either. If you're planning to buy, proceed with caution and maybe stick to well-known brands until more solid reviews come out. If you've ordered from Mernes London, drop your experience in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more no-fluff reviews.